Hi everybody, so this is going to be a quick live demo of this new app I have created called Supercharge. It says Supercharger here, sorry about that. I did decide to change the name halfway through. So anyway, in this quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys the app, some of the backend stuff going on, and then of course the front end and the whole design of the app. So I'll get started. Of course, this app is made using React, Expo, and a bunch of other stuff in the backend, which I'll show you first. So to log the user in and of course store data depending on who the user is, I used Clerk and Google Authentication. For the map, to get the places, which in my case were chargers, and also to allow the user to search different areas, I used Google and specifically Google Places and Google Maps API. You can see some of the traffic here going in and out. This is all from the Google Cloud and Google APIs and services. And that is also where I used the authentication for Clerk. And this is also where I made my APIs. To store the user's data, you can see here I've used Firebase, also powered by Google. Here you can see some of my users' favorite items. So this is electric charger that the user has favorited, and you can see that it's stored here in the Firebase database. Anyways, all the code is on GitHub, so I'll get right into the demo. And right now, if I click on this app, I will already be logged in. So I have just a quick picture pulled up of what the login screen. This is what the login screen would look like when you log in and you click on this, and it'll say allow this app to use Google, and then you could sign in from Google and it'll redirect you back to the main screen, which is what's going to happen when I open this app. And that is exactly what happens. So with this app, my goal was to create just an easy to use application, right? That was my whole idea. So right off the bat, I have configured this simulator's location to be in Toronto, but I'll just let's just say I set mine, so 650 Parliament Street. There we go. You can see the user has set, and you could immediately see those new icons that I got. That's because not only do I choose how many results I want, I also control the radius of what I want these results to be in. So I'll leave that here for now so it doesn't get too cluttered. And you can see that these are all the chargers, electric chargers across, and this is where I am, this little car logo. So I could click on any of these and it will take me immediately to where it is. And if there's no image here, you can see this default image shows up. I know you can see this, how this pops up, it becomes bigger and it becomes green. I'll do that again. You can see how it pops up and it immediately takes you to that charger. And just to show you this over here, if you wanted to go to, let's just say this charger, right? All I have to do is click on this arrow and it will open up wherever this is in your default map. So for Apple, this is Apple Maps, of course. I'll just let that go from the back. And of course, the user at any time can add this to their favorites. And immediately you can see that Firebase and my app was refreshed and I got this like here. And if I unlike it, it will also be removed. And where are these favorites stored? They are stored, of course, in the favorite, which you could, of course, refresh to get your latest favorites from Firebase. You can see these are all the favorites that I have over here. And also I can remove these from here and click on them just to show you that they're actually functional too. They're like just like the cards over here. And of course, this is a scrollable card, but of course, like I said, it will also take you to whichever one you click on. And last but not least, we have the profile page, which just to learn more takes you to to my source code, which will take you to this video, and then the logout button, which logs out of Clerk. And of course, you just have your user's profile picture and a quick welcome message. Anyways, that is all for this quick tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it. This app is not on the App Store, unfortunately, because App Store does want quite a large sum of money to post this app on the App Store. But of course, the source code is available. You could download it and try it out for yourself. Just a heads up that you will have to install the dependencies to use this, because I'll tell you right now, there is quite a lot of dependencies to use this app. So just be aware of that. I'm pretty sure you can do something like npm install and get off the dependencies. If you run into any errors, just please let me know, and do whatever you want with this app. Redesign it. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this quick little tutorial. Thank you.